So here the question is defined from real numbers to real numbers such that f of x equals to x mod x. So that means we can define the function in two ways, that is x into one part and x into one part, that is when x is greater than or equals to 0 and x is less than 0. And we know that when x is greater than 0, modulus of x is minus x, and here it is x. So that means your function piecewise it is defined like this, minus x square. So this is x greater than 0 means x less than 0 means minus x. So it is x greater than or equals to 0 and minus x square when x is less than 0. Now we will check the graph of this function. So origin, so here x axis and here our y axis. Now see, when x is positive, that means whenever you are drawing the graph of x is positive means, so this should be blank for you. So there is no visibility of this portion, only we have this portion. So we need to concentrate on the right hand side of origin only. So here the curve is what? X square, that is y equals to x square means we know that it is a parabola which is open upwards. Here no need to draw the complete parabola, we need to draw the portion which is in x greater than or equals to 0. So means this portion. So this is your portion f of x equals to x square when x is greater than or equals to 0. That's it. Next portion is when x is less than 0, minus x square. We know that minus x square is a downward parabola. So downward parabola where we need to draw not complete, only this portion. So this one. So this is your minus x square curve. Now students, if you observe, see, for this curve at any point if you draw a horizontal line, it cuts at only one point. So we can declare the function is 1 to 1. Now the range of the function, if you observe, see, this curve will go up to minus infinity and it will extend up to infinity. So the range is minus infinity comma infinity, that is nothing but r, which is what? Codomain. So the function is what? Onto. So it is both 1 1 and onto, therefore it is bisective. Next question, if a equals to x such that minus 1 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 1, that is B only. And f maps from A to B, then f of x is, or f of x equals to, we will take here, mod x is what kind of function? In this case, see, the domain and range both are same. So that means x is defined in between minus 1 comma 1. So that means a is what here? Closed interval minus 1 comma 1 and b is also closed interval minus 1 comma 1. So that means mod x graph we need to draw in between these two. So we know the graph of mod x. So here you will get origin. Okay. So this line it is y equals to x and this line it is y equals to minus x. But they are asking, so the limitation is what? In between minus 1 and 1 only. And these two lines individually we know this line is y equals to x and this line is y equals to minus x. When y is equals to x and x is input 1 means here the output also what we will get? So 1 only. So now here if we draw any line parallel to x axis, it is clearly cutting at more than 1 point. That's why we can declare the function as many to 1. Next we will check the range of the function. Now the range of the function is what? 0 to, it is not extending up to infinity, we need to restrict. So that's why range is equals to what we are getting? 0 comma 1. So it is not equals to b, that is codomain. So therefore it is into. So the function is many to 1 and into. So I want to take f of x as x cube. Okay, we will check whether it is 1, 1 and onto or into. We will check this one, see. Okay. So here the curve is f of x equals to x cube. We know the graph of x cube. It passes through origin, something like this type. Okay. So now the restriction is here for suppose in between minus 1 and 1. Just assuming it may be up to here. So this is your graph actually. So not complete they are asking. So only this portion. So in between these values, it is clearly that if you draw any horizontal line, it cuts the graph at one point only. So straight away we can write it as 1-to-1 function. Now when you come to the range, see, this is the range of your graph. So range, how will you find? It is an increasing function clearly. So with reference to domain, we can write what is the value of f of minus 1 because the input is minus 1, the least input. Minus 1 if we keep there, we will get minus 1 whole cube in the curve, what we are getting minus 1. And f of 1 equals to 1 cube, so we will get 1. So clearly the range is what? Minus 1 to 1 as these values we are taking because the function is increasing. So range is minus 1 comma 1, that is equals to b. So range and codomain both are same, therefore the function is onto. So it is bisective because it is 1 1 and onto.